Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab garlic butter sauce. This simple recipe brings incredible flavor to your seafood. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, about 6 cloves of fresh minced garlic, and 1/4 cup of bright lemon juice. These fresh components are the foundation for a truly delicious sauce that everyone will love. Now let's get cooking. First, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. It's important to keep the heat gentle to avoid browning the butter too quickly. Once melted, add your 6 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. This step releases all those amazing aromatic flavors. Next, we'll build on that delicious base. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, which adds a lovely tang. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for a classic seafood flavor. Allow the sauce to gently simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, letting all the flavors meld together beautifully. This creates a rich, aromatic sauce. Your easy crab garlic butter sauce is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm, fragrant sauce generously over your freshly cooked crab. For a touch of freshness and color, garnish with some finely chopped fresh parsley. Serve it immediately to experience the full warmth and flavor. This versatile sauce is also absolutely delicious with steamed shrimp or succulent lobster, making any meal special.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.